Andito na si Ryan.
Lumig na yung scholarly.
Andito na Cabrera.
One of the famous artists.
Andito mga artist.
Contemporary arts.
Bago sa akin dito.
In 1, 2, 3.
Teka, ano ba yung contemporary arts?
Hindi mo alam? O, ito, pakinggan mo to ha. 1, 2, 3, go! 1970s, up to present. Mas consider as contemporary. It's this, the word from yourself. Contemporary means contemporary. Various arts from this era was produced by sana'y maunawaan mo. Ang ibig sabihin na arts na ito.
Teka, explain nyo naman, paano ko bigyan yung 1970 and 70?
Gets na ito, mapapasok na rin naman eh. So, maintindihan mo to, promise. 1, 2, 3, go! Contemporary art is about political issues and human rights, economy and other conflicts that affects the world.
Ah, okay.
Sige.